Here's how to install our OCAM roof rack for the Mazda BT-50. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. Install the rack rails onto the bottom channels using the supplied bolts and channel blocks. Leave it loose for now. Use a trim tool to remove the factory weather strips on the roof. Use a knife to remove the paint covering the 4 mounting holes. Install the rail feet using the supplied bolts with a spring washer and the rubber washer. The larger feet go to the front of the vehicle. Tighten the rail feet bolts using a 6mm Allen key. Grab a mate to help you lift the rack onto the vehicle and secure the rack rails to the rail feet. Make sure the smaller slot goes to the front and the larger slot goes to the rear. Use the supplied Allen head bolts and flange nuts to secure the rails to the feet. Tighten using a 6mm Allen key and a 13mm wrench. Position the rack to the center of the roof, then use the same wrench to tighten the rack to the rails. Measure and cut the factory weather strips, then secure using some double-sided 3M tape and a bead of silicone sealant. Use masking tape to secure it to the roof and allow 24 hours for the sealant to cure. And there you have it, your OCAM roof rack is installed.